Everyone, welcome back to Bleach Technology. Today I'm going to show you my Chamberlain PD210 garage door opener. So here we go. So it's kind of noisy, but although it sounds good. And you know, if you're from Ann's Technology, I have your profile picture, but I'm not taking it down all the shit because I'm not gonna deal with this. So, and Careful Clean Cuts LLC Lawn Care. If you commented, "You're so smart," just like Uncle Biden. Wow, that is so stupid. Why do you have to do that? It's very stupid. God, you little shit. I wouldn't even like that on my channel. So why don't you just delete that comment? But anyway, let's close it. Yeah. Now we're gonna do an outside view. Yeah, that's the opener. And excuse me about this lawn equipment, because this is the Murray M2510 string trimmer. And this is a Black & Decker curved shaft GH3000 string trimmer. So I'm going to close it down using the remote. I'm going to close it down. I'm going to close it down. Okay, now I'm going to close it.